Welcome back to another section still on simultaneous equation. We are almost rounding up with the simultaneous equation. So don't forget, you are in a school. Do not rush your solving problems. Just be careful to follow the class and have a better understanding. We are looking at Cramer's method today. In Cramer's method, we shall be dealing with the algebraic part of the equation also and the constant part of the equation. Cramer's method is also referred to as the determinant method. So let's see how Cramer's applied his idea in determinants. Now we will be looking at the coefficient of the algebraic part. So we're going to get the first determinant. The first determinant will be the determinant that defines x and y. The first determinant is the determinant that will define x and y, just as we are the first factor in the Cyrus method that defines x and y. So also in Cramer's method, we are going to get the first determinant that will be used to deal with other determinants, and that first determinant defines the x and y. So I'll write determinant, I'll write a change in x and y, and that will give us the first determinant. When we are doing determinant, we use vertical bars to write the number. So I want to write the coefficient of the algebraic part of the two equations, which are 2, 3, minus 1 plus 1. So I have 2, 3, minus 1 plus 1. And in determinant, we cross multiply this way and this way. And we call it A and we call it B. It is always A minus B. So it will be 2 times 1, which is 2 minus 3 times minus 1 is minus 3. Please don't forget, this minus sign is a constant sign used in determinant. That will become 2 minus sign will affect the one inside, becomes plus 3, and that will give us 5. So the first determinant of x and y is equal to 5. This answer will be used to divide other determinants we are going to get. Now, to find your x, we are going to replace the coefficient of x by the constants 8 and 17 in determinant form. So to get our first change of x, the determinant of that will be replacing 2 and 3 by 8 and 17. We have minus 1 plus 1. And I say you should cross multiply. You have here A, you have here B. It is always A minus B. Now 8 times 1 is 8, minus 17 times minus 1 is minus 17. The minus sign outside affects the one inside, and that will give us 8 plus 17. So the change of x is equal to 8 plus 17, which is 25. So our change of x is equal to 25. Now, our x alone, therefore, our x will be equal to change of x divided by change of x, y. That is the determinant of x divided by the determinant of x and y, which we got as 5. That will become 25 over 5, and that will give us 5. So our x is equal to 5. That is the result. Now, to find y, this is to find x, Now, to find y, we are going to replace the coefficient of y, which are minus 1 plus 1, by the constant 8 and 17. So I will need to write change in y is equal to determinant. I'll write my coefficient of x, 2 and 3, and replace that of y by 8 and 17. It is all cross multiply. This is your A and this is your B, and I say it is always A minus B. 2 times 17 is 34, minus 3 times 8 is 24, and that will give us 10. So our change in y is equal to 10. So therefore our y will be change in y over change in x, y. That is determinant of y, which is 10, and determinant of xy, which we got initially as 5. If you divide that, you get 2. So our y is equal to 2. Now you understand that our y is equal to 2 and our x is equal to 5. This is how you solve using the Cramer's method. You see that all the answers that we had from the beginning: elimination, substitution, method, graphical method, Cyrus method, Cramer's method, our x is always 5 and our y is 2. So we are sure that all the methods applied are actually ideal and unique in solving simultaneous equations. These classes are for you. You are in a school. Don't be in a hurry to solving problems. Carefully go through these classes and have a better understanding. Everybody must have the idea of math. Remember, if you must become a true leader, then you should have a concept of mathematics in you. See you in our next other package.